Hey guys, so if you're thinking if the Steam Deck needs screen protector, someone wrote here, the Steam Deck already has a tempered glass screen, it comes with a surprisingly excellent case, and it's huge. I'll not be casually throwing like a bag like a Game Boy. I can imagine what would scratch and begin to place in ways I'm likely to use it. So let's say that you're just using it at home, right? That you're not traveling with it to school, to job, with the plane, with the train, right? That if you can limit exposure on where it can like fall, then I wouldn't get the screen protector. But if you're traveling, let's say you're on a train, something happens, it drops, bam, it's done. One scratch, one like kind of like drop, and it's finished. So that's why I would recommend to have a screen protector. It depends for what you are actually going to use it. So it only takes one brush or drop onto the wrong kind of surface or object to recreate the minor precaution. Accidentally, for a reason they couldn't be predicted. So yeah, that's what you want to do.